Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This lovely 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom bungalow is located in the quiet suburbs of Woodlawn, Mandeville. This house sits on quarter-acre of land and is move-in ready. The garden is awaiting the right person who enjoys gardening. The yard is fully landscaped. House comes with a single-car garage, aluminum awning, open living space, laundry area, roomy dining and kitchen area. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 34 million or US $220,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.